that on? Yeah. But I'll give you a bit of an update. I've bodged my mast. And the way I did it is as many suggested. Drilled the top of it, put some Jubilee clips on, and left it. Seems okay. I'm gonna go inside because there are people here.
We didn't know anyone was coming in, so you let it tied up there.
Ooh. There are people coming in. I got scared. Yeah, so bodged the mast, drilled at the top of it, put Jubilee clips on. I really need to get over this fear of doing camera stuff in front of people, because it's basically my job. But alas, I've also made some other modifications. See if I can get it on camera without me being outside. Ooh. Made a thing. Let's see that. This video's goosed. I think it's portrait as well. This is all going wrong. I'm going to do it again.